Today's lesson, Step 4, Final Layer Oil Paint. Have with you your printed reference picture, your 8x10 canvas, linseed oil, 3 brushes, flat 4 and 8, and a small Ingo liner brush. Oil paint colors, please see the list on the screen. The final layer needs to be tin paint, and basically it's the same step than step number 3, the second layer. It will give a richer color to your colors on the painting. Don't forget to clean your brush when you go from dark color to clear color. And when you do a blending on the canvas, also always mix clear to dark and clean your brush. I just want to drop a note. Like I mentioned previously in my other videos, all the songs that you hear in the background, I have participated to the lyrics and the making of the video, so you can visit the website that you see on the screen if you want to have more details.
Sorry, there is no turning back, as it sounds like an old track. No more regrets and pain.
Like you can see, I'm applying the lighter colors, and like I mentioned before, make sure you always clean your brush, and when blending on the canvas, always clean your brush. If you like this video, don't forget to do so. Just right there, the thumbs up, like, and to see more video, you can subscribe. Just right below, subscribe. En français, juste en bas, s'abonner. Thank you in advance. Merci. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like the picture. It can always be fixed later on. And the picture is only a reference. When someone looks at your painting on the wall, they don't have the reference picture with them. The reference picture is only to guide you. I just want to give a little tip. When you put white on your painting, never use pure white. Always have to put a hint of color. Like for example, in this painting, there's a lot of yellow hint in the white, so you just put a little drop of yellow in it.
And see that I can only gain. No more pain, no more pain, no more regrets.
Now I'm just gonna leave the apple, and I'm just gonna go and make the color of the background more rich. I find that I needed to have it like darker and more rich. Like you can see, I'm blending a little bit the dark contour of the apple with the background. Sorry about the shine on the canvas. It's because of the reflection of the light on the oil. I'll have to try to find a position where you don't see it. But if you pause the video, you won't see the shine.
Rising, get
with my small angle brush, I'll make some downwards movement with lighter color. It gives you a shape to the apple. So you do it from the top to the bottom, and then you can also go from the bottom to the top. And don't worry, since it's oil, if you do little mistakes, it can always be fixed. Your final touch is always the really bright colors. It's the light. Don't forget, don't put pure white. Always white, in this case with a little hint of yellow. And don't forget, it doesn't need to be perfect, and it doesn't need to be exactly like the picture. Your reference picture is only there to guide you.
The door of changes is always open. It gives you wings to fly, fly high in the sky.
I think once I'm done, I'm gonna eat this apple. It looks nice and healthy and good.